Welcome to the Digital Marketing Channel, where we empower you with the knowledge to thrive in the digital landscape. Our mission is to demystify the world of online marketing by providing clear, actionable insights that will help you navigate this dynamic field with confidence and proficiency. In today's hyper-connected world, understanding how to effectively market online is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. This channel is your one-stop shop for all things digital marketing, from the latest trends and strategies to in-depth analysis of cutting-edge tools and technologies. Today, we're excited to introduce a comprehensive roadmap course for digital marketing. This course is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to create a successful digital marketing strategy, whether you're a seasoned marketer looking to stay ahead of the curve or a beginner just getting your feet wet in the digital space. This roadmap will guide you through the essential components of digital marketing, from search engine optimization and content marketing to social media strategies and analytics. We'll delve into each topic in detail, providing practical tips and techniques that you can apply to your own marketing efforts. But before we get started, we want to take a moment to invite you to join our community. If you find value in our content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Not only does this help us reach more people like you who are eager to learn about digital marketing, but it also ensures you'll never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support, and we're excited to have you join us on this journey. We promise to make it a rewarding and enlightening experience, filled with plenty of aha moments and actionable insights. So without further ado, let's dive into the fascinating world of digital marketing. Whether you're looking to boost your brand's online presence, drive more traffic to your website, or convert more leads into customers, this roadmap course is your ticket to success. Stay tuned as we embark on this insightful journey through the world of digital marketing. To embark on any journey, it's crucial to understand our destination. So what exactly is digital marketing? In essence, digital marketing is the use of the internet, mobile devices, social media, search engines, and other channels to reach consumers. It's a multifaceted approach to marketing that allows businesses to connect with their customers where they are most comfortable, in the digital world. In this digital age, where most of our activities from shopping to socializing are done online, digital marketing has become more than just a trend. It's a necessity. But why is digital marketing so important? Well, think of it as a bridge. On one side, we have businesses offering products and services. On the other, we have consumers looking for those products and services. Digital marketing is the bridge that connects these two sides. It allows businesses to reach out to their potential customers, understand their needs, and engage with them in a meaningful way. And it's not just about selling products or services, it's about creating value. It's about building relationships and fostering trust. But it doesn't stop there. Digital marketing also plays a crucial role in business growth. With tools like analytics and data tracking, businesses can measure their marketing efforts and make informed decisions. They can identify what's working and what's not and adjust their strategies accordingly. This ability to monitor, analyze, and optimize is what makes digital marketing so powerful. Moreover, digital marketing is ever evolving. With advancements in technology and changes in consumer behavior, new opportunities and challenges continually arise. This dynamic nature of digital marketing keeps it exciting and rewarding. So, to sum it up, digital marketing is a combination of strategies aimed at engaging, reaching, and converting potential customers in the digital space. It's a bridge that connects businesses with consumers, a tool that drives business growth, and a dynamic field that is always on the move. With a clear understanding of digital marketing, we can now delve deeper into its various aspects. Just as a machine is made up of various parts, digital marketing also comprises several key components. Imagine you're building a high-performance car. You wouldn't just slap together a bunch of random parts and hope for the best. No, you'd carefully select each component to ensure it contributes to the overall performance and efficiency of the car. In the same way, each component of digital marketing plays a critical role in the success of your overall strategy. First, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the process of optimizing your website so it ranks higher in search engine results. It's like the engine of your car, driving organic traffic to your site. Next up is content marketing. This involves creating and distributing valuable content to attract and engage your target audience. It's the sleek, aerodynamic design of your car that draws people in and keeps them engaged. Then we have social media marketing. This involves promoting your brand and your content on social media channels to increase brand awareness, drive traffic, and generate leads. It's the flashy paint job and decals on your car that catch people's eye and make them want to learn more. Email marketing is another crucial component. This is the process of sending direct messages to people who have expressed interest in your brand or products. It's like the comfortable seats and high-quality sound system in your car that make people want to stick around and enjoy the ride. Finally, we have pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. This involves paying a fee each time one of your ads is clicked. It's like the turbocharged engine in your car that gives you an instant boost of speed when you need it. Each of these components, when used effectively, can play a unique role in a successful digital marketing strategy. Just like the parts of a car, they need to work together in harmony to achieve the best results. Each of these components plays a unique role in a successful digital marketing strategy. Now that we understand what digital marketing is and its components, let's explore the roadmap to mastering it. Imagine embarking on a cross-country road trip with no map, no GPS, just your gut instinct to guide you. You might eventually reach your destination, but you'll likely encounter unnecessary detours, roadblocks, and possibly even end up completely off course. The same principle applies to digital marketing. Without a clear roadmap, your journey to achieving your marketing objectives can become a chaotic, aimless endeavor. So, what exactly is a digital marketing roadmap? Picture it as a strategic plan that outlines your digital marketing actions over a specific time frame. It's a comprehensive visual representation of your marketing strategy, from inception to execution. It details the tactics you'll use, the channels you'll leverage, and the goals you're aiming to achieve. But why do you need a digital marketing roadmap? Well, for starters, it's the key to staying organized and focused. It prevents you from getting overwhelmed by the multitude of tasks involved in digital marketing. It also ensures that all your marketing activities align with your overarching business objectives. Moreover, a digital marketing roadmap fosters transparency and accountability within your team. With a clear plan in place, everyone knows their role, their responsibilities, and the timelines they're working towards. This promotes efficiency and productivity, as well as fostering a culture of ownership and teamwork. Additionally, a digital marketing roadmap allows for flexibility. Yes, you heard that right. Despite being a structured plan, a roadmap isn't set in stone. The digital marketing landscape is ever evolving, with new trends and technologies emerging constantly. Your roadmap needs to accommodate this dynamism, allowing room for adjustments and adaptations as required. But perhaps the most critical reason for having a digital marketing roadmap is that it enables you to measure success. By defining clear, quantifiable goals and timelines, your roadmap provides you with a benchmark against which to assess your progress. This allows you to evaluate the effectiveness of your strategies and make data-driven decisions, thereby optimizing your marketing efforts for success. So, how do you go about creating a digital marketing roadmap? It starts with defining your marketing objectives, followed by identifying the strategies and tactics that will help you achieve these goals. You'll need to decide on the channels and platforms you'll use, the content you'll create, and the metrics you'll track. And remember, your roadmap should be a living document, regularly reviewed and updated to reflect changes in your business environment or marketing objectives. In conclusion, a digital marketing roadmap is not merely a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. It's the backbone of your digital marketing efforts, providing direction, promoting transparency, enabling adaptability, and facilitating success measurement. A well-planned roadmap is your guide to digital marketing success. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a digital marketing newbie, embarking on your journey without a roadmap is like sailing into uncharted waters. So take the time to plan your route carefully and enjoy a smoother, more successful journey to your marketing goals. Creating a digital marketing roadmap involves several steps. Let's unravel them one by one. Our first step is understanding the business objectives. It's essential to know what the business is aiming to achieve. These objectives can range from increasing brand awareness to driving sales. It's important to remember that these objectives should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will ensure that they are realistic and can be tracked effectively. Next, we conduct a market analysis. This is where we look at the current market conditions, trends, and competitors. By doing this, we get a clear picture of where the business stands in the market and what challenges it might face. We can also identify opportunities for growth that the business could tap into. This step involves a lot of research, but it's worth it because it provides valuable insights that can shape the rest of the roadmap. Then we move on to defining the target audience. This is all about understanding who the business's customers are. What do they like? What are their needs and wants? How do they behave online? There are several ways to gather this information, like surveys, interviews, and analyzing online behavior. Knowing your audience is crucial because it allows you to create marketing strategies that resonate with them. After that, we set the marketing objectives. These are the specific goals that the marketing efforts will aim to achieve. They should align with the overall business objectives and be just as SMART. These might include increasing website traffic, boosting social media engagement, or growing the email list. It's important to note that these objectives should be flexible, as they might need to be adjusted based on the marketing results. The next step is selecting the right digital marketing channels. There are many options to choose from, like social media, email marketing, SEO, and content marketing. The choice largely depends on the target audience and the marketing objectives. For example, if the aim is to increase brand awareness among millennials, then social media might be the best channel. On the other hand, if the goal is to drive sales, then email marketing or SEO might be more effective. After we've selected the channels, we need to develop a content strategy. This involves deciding what type of content to create, how often to post it, and on which platforms. The content should be engaging, relevant, and valuable to the audience. It should also align with the brand's voice and values. Next is setting the budget. This involves determining how much money will be allocated to each marketing channel. The budget should be realistic and take into account the potential return on investment. It's also important to set aside some funds for unexpected expenses or opportunities that might arise. Finally, we create a timeline. This outlines when each step of the roadmap will be implemented and when the results will be evaluated. The timeline should be realistic and allow for flexibility in case adjustments need to be made. These steps help in creating a comprehensive and effective digital marketing roadmap. Remember, a good roadmap is not set in stone. It should be flexible and adaptable, ready to change as the business, market, and audience do. It's a tool to guide your marketing efforts and help you stay focused on achieving your goals. So take your time, do your research, and create a roadmap that will lead your business to digital marketing success. A roadmap is only as good as its implementation. So, how do you put your digital marketing roadmap into action? Now that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Well, fear not, we're about to dive right into the nitty-gritty of effectively implementing your digital marketing roadmap. Firstly, let's talk about resource allocation. It's all about making sure you have the right tools for the job and the right people to work those tools. Begin by identifying what resources you have at your disposal. This could be anything from your team's skill set, your budget, to the software and tools you have access to. Once you've taken stock of your resources, it's time to allocate them strategically. Assign your resources based on your objectives and the tasks at hand. Remember, the key here is to maximize efficiency and effectiveness. For instance, if your goal is to boost social media engagement, you'll want to allocate resources to creating engaging content, social media management tools, and perhaps even a social media specialist. Next, let's delve into timeline setting. This is where you take the objectives you've set in your roadmap and assign a timeline to each one. This timeline should be realistic, but also challenging enough to keep your team on their toes.
A great way to approach timeline setting is by breaking down your objectives into smaller, manageable tasks and setting a timeline for each of these tasks. This way, you're not only setting a clear path towards achieving your objectives, but also making the process less daunting for your team. Now, on to tracking progress. This is perhaps the most crucial part of implementing your digital marketing roadmap. After all, how will you know if you're moving in the right direction if you don't keep track of your progress? To effectively track progress, you'll need to establish key performance indicators, or KPIs for short. These are measurable values that indicate whether you're achieving your objectives. For instance, if your objective is to increase website traffic, your KPI could be the number of unique website visitors. Once you've set your KPIs, it's important to consistently monitor them. This will allow you to spot any potential issues early on and make necessary adjustments to your strategy. Additionally, tracking progress also provides you with valuable insights that can help you improve your future strategies. Remember, implementing a digital marketing roadmap is not a one-off task. It's an ongoing process that requires constant tweaking and refining. So don't be disheartened if things don't go as planned the first time around. Learn from your mistakes, make adjustments, and keep moving forward. Proper implementation of the roadmap can significantly enhance your digital marketing outcomes. Indeed, it can. So, take the time to implement your roadmap effectively and watch your digital marketing efforts soar to new heights.
As we reach the end of our journey today, let's recap what we've learned. We started our adventure by defining what digital marketing is. We discovered it's a multifaceted beast, a blend of numerous strategies and tactics, all with the aim of connecting with customers where they spend the lion's share of their time. Online. It's the way of the future, and it's here to stay. Then we delved into the components that make up digital marketing. We navigated the vast landscape from search engine optimization, content marketing and social media marketing, to email marketing, influencer marketing, and mobile marketing. Each component, we learned, plays a vital role in a comprehensive digital marketing strategy, like pieces of a complex puzzle, each contributing to the bigger picture. Our journey continued as we explored the concept of a digital marketing roadmap. This is your strategic guide, your blueprint for digital marketing success. It's the map that points you in the right direction, helping you to visualize your goals, plan your actions, and measure your progress. Like any good map, it's not set in stone. It's flexible, allowing for detours and course corrections as you navigate the ever-changing digital landscape. Next, we broke down the steps involved in creating a digital marketing roadmap. We learned that it begins with setting clear, achievable goals, followed by identifying your target audience and understanding their needs and wants. From there, we select the right digital marketing channels and tactics, create engaging content, and set key performance indicators to measure our success. It's a systematic process, a methodical approach to reaching your destination. Finally, we discussed implementing the digital marketing roadmap. We learned that it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Each business, each brand is unique, and so too should be its digital marketing strategy. We emphasized the importance of testing, analyzing, and adjusting our strategies based on the results, and how this continuous cycle of learning and adapting is the key to long-term success. So there we have it, a journey through the world of digital marketing, from its definition to its components, to the roadmap that guides us, and the steps to create and implement it. It's a vast, complex world, but with the right roadmap, it's a world ripe with opportunities. Remember, the journey of digital marketing is a continuous process of learning and adapting. Keep exploring, keep learning. Until next time, this is the Digital Marketing Channel signing off.